Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to use subject reference in Hailuo AI to help maintain the appearance of a character or subject in your AI-generated videos. First, open Hailuo AI and go to the video generation section. Look for the subject reference option if it's available in your current interface. Now prepare a clear reference image of the subject you want to use. Choose an image where the person, character, or object is clearly visible and easy to identify. Upload the reference image to the subject reference area. Hailuo AI can then use this reference to better understand the subject you want to include in your generated scene. Next, write your video prompt. Describe what you want the subject to do, where the scene should take place, and how you want the camera to move. For example, you could describe the subject walking through a modern city while the camera slowly follows from the front. Try to keep the subject description consistent and focus your prompt mainly on the action, environment, and camera movement. Now generate the video and wait for Hailuo AI to process it. Once the result is ready, preview it carefully. Check whether the subject's appearance remains close to the reference image and whether the movement looks natural. If the result isn't quite right, try using a clearer reference image or simplify your prompt. You can also adjust the scene and movement instructions before generating another version. Once you're happy with the result, save or download the video using the available option. And that's how you can use subject reference in Hailuo AI to create more consistent AI videos.